I'm one of the plastic and reconstructive surgeons that will be operating on the kids this week. So thank you so much to Smile Foundation, who always help us very generously, to our sponsors, Easy Gas, the Department of Health, and everybody who we can collaborate with to help these children. We are so grateful to everybody. That I get to live my passion and do what I love, and that is such a privilege because I get to help children and people all around. Thank you so much to the nursing staff, and you must realize it's a big team. Marley, who's our dietitian, we've got a lot of role players. The admin that goes into producing a week like this is incredible. Nobody knows what goes on behind the scenes. Granny Smile, and everybody, we are very, very grateful for the opportunity. We'll be helping 20 children this week. Predominantly what we'll be doing is cleft palate surgery. And that is something that we can't necessarily see. It's not obvious in your face deformity, but when someone opens their mouth and their speech is abnormal, they are perceived as abnormal or ignorant. And if we can correct the speech, we literally correct the paths for their lives, because they actually can integrate then and are able to apply for jobs in schools and things like that, which we take for granted because we can just speak normally, right? So we are very grateful to be able to help them. On the same note, I would like to use this platform just to inform patients and mothers and parents of children out there who have speech abnormalities that they don't know the cause for, to please go get evaluated for, so that someone who just knows something, come to us, contact Smile, that we can look inside your child's mouth and see if there's not something going on, because sometimes it's quite subtle, and the sooner we address these problems, the better, so that children can learn to speak correctly. Otherwise, like we have a lot of older children who've already learned to speak abnormally, so it's a big adjustment for them. Once we've fixed their palates, they need to relearn how to speak properly. And it would be great if we could just pick them up early, and they could fix their palates and they could learn to speak really properly. So I would like to use this platform just for awareness. Please contact Smile Foundation. Contact, I think it's very easy. They've got Instagram and Facebook pages, and they're very accessible. They chat to us. We find out what the closest hospital is and try to help them. But thank you so much for being here, and I'd like to show you the kids if you are ready.